Hello, and thank you for joining us today in Chula Vista. I'm here with Doug Taggart, who's not only a happy customer, but he is an existing customer that's just purchased another product from Pacific Coast Home Solutions. So why don't you tell us what your latest purchase is?
My latest purchase is a new furnace and air conditioning for my home to replace units that were as old as the house, which was built in '96. So they're 16 years old, and probably time to get something newer and more energy efficient.
Right. Energy efficient is key, especially if you have anything that's over 10 years old. You're just throwing money away. Why not have something new, energy efficient? And not only that, but for health reasons as well. So it's not emitting any dangerous carbon monoxide fumes or anything like that. So I think it was a very wise decision. And what was your first purchase that you made with Pacific Coast Home Solutions?
My first purchase was new vinyl windows, which are double paned and block out UV and IR, and they slide much better than the old metal ones, and they have a longer guarantee than the other ones, which had pretty much no guarantee.
Right. So it looks like we have covered so many bases for you already. Are you happy with the products that you've purchased?
I'm on second base now.
Well,
I'm happy with everything I've gotten, although I haven't tested. Well, of course, being that it's 80 degrees today,
yeah.
I haven't tested the furnace, and I haven't really tested the air conditioning either yet, because it's really only like 80 degrees and just a lot of humidity.
Right.
And our gas and electric company wants us to keep our thermostats at 78 degrees, so it wouldn't really be much cooler if the air conditioning was on. Although, while during the installation, there was one of the workmen was up in the attic, and it was hotter that day, and this was midday, and most of the installation was done, and the other workman who was downstairs turned on the air conditioning, and I heard from upstairs a big "Thank you!"
I can just imagine how hot it must get up in that attic, and so he must have been so grateful for some air, huh?
Oh yeah, and I've been up there when it's been hot, and I tried not to be there very long.
Well, my goodness. So then you're happy with all the products that you've gotten?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Well, you said that you felt like you were at second base, but to me, you've hit a home run. You've hit a home run, because there's no better form of advertising than a happy customer, is there? Of course not. So we do appreciate your business. And when they did the whole installation process, how did that go for you? Did you like the way that they did that?
That went very, very smoothly, and I took 2 days off from work for the most recent installation, and they finished it in one day. So I had just a vacation day.
Oh, okay. Well, isn't that nice?
That was a bonus.
Now, would you refer us to your family or friends?
Yes, I would, friends, because I don't have any family living around here.
Oh, well, my goodness. Well, we do appreciate your keeping your thoughts with us. Now, you might be receiving a phone call. It might be from a potential customer out here, from somebody that's thinking about contracting with our company, and they want your advice. They want to know what your experience is like personally, because they want to base their opinion and their whole decision that might be just on the words that you say. So what would you say your experience was like with our company?
I would say go for it. I would heartily recommend that they get anything and everything from installed by PCA, purchased through and installed by PCHS.
Okay, well, we do appreciate that. We appreciate the recommendations. And we want to thank you for the time that you've devoted today to this video testimonial, to being so informative and sharing your experiences with everyone about the things that you've purchased. And we just want to thank you for your business, Doug. So thank you so much. It's been a pleasure meeting with you. And we want to thank you for watching. This is Kelly with Pacific Coast Home Solutions.